Hey guys, today we are out in the Seminole State Forest. I'm going to do a quick highlight video on my camping knives. The Forge Blade makes the knives. They're a beautiful, beautiful solid metal knife, wooden handle. This one, the cleaver specifically, has a bottle opener on top, which is a very neat feature on there. Very well balanced, sharp knives. Just a nice sturdy body. I love the cleaver for when I'm cutting vegetables, especially onions and potatoes. Has a nice fatty body, just nice and smooth going down through the vegetables. I like the heavier weight of it. Just makes chopping a little bit easier. Also comes in the leather case, which is just beautiful design, beautiful stitching around the outside. Just one of my favorite knives to use when cooking, chopping vegetables is what I love it the most for. They also have the chef's knives, a little bit smaller of a blade, very sharp, not as heavy as the cleaver, but still very well balanced. Has a little hole in the middle for your finger, comes with the leather case as well. This one I love to use for my meats, specifically my steak. I love just nice fine cuts on there, cuts through nice and smooth, and it's just a very sharp looking knife. Definitely not something you're going to find off the shelf. They did a great job with the design and the detail on here. Very happy with these knives. So we're going to do some cooking real quick. Got some vegetables, got some steak with me. We're going to put these knives to work and show you guys what they're made of. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Check out the Forge Blade on their website, theforgeblade.com, as well on Instagram at ForgeBlade. I'll put a link to their website below in the description, and pick one up for yourself. Promise you won't regret it. It is a beautifully designed knife, and I think you guys will love them. Thanks so much for watching.